Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment 6 of 9th class. The topic is grammar. From grammar, verb, adjective and adverb. These 3 parts are given. So 10 statements are given. So against the statement, what part of speech is that given? Word, so that is given in brackets. So you have to identify the part of speech from these 3, whether it is verb, adjective or adverb. First one, they sought his help. They sought his help. Identify verb. Say they it is subject, sought is the verb, is help object. So you have to identify the verb. So here sought. So children, sought is the verb form from given sentence. Now let us see second one. Giri has seen a wonderful picture. What is given in bracket? Adjective. So you have to identify the adjective in given sentence. Giri has seen a wonderful picture. Say this Giri, so this is subject, has seen, so this is verb forms. A wonderful picture, this whole part we can take as object. From this part, so picture is a noun. This noun is qualified by the word wonderful. What is the function of an adjective? It qualifies or it describes a noun or pronoun. So this picture is noun, it is qualified by wonderful. What kind of picture it is? Wonderful. So it says the quality of this picture. So wonderful is wonderful, an adjective from given sentence. Then third one, Madhulata ran fast. Madhulata ran fast. Identify adverb from the given sentence. See Madhulata, this is subject. So noun used as the subject of the sentence. What is action word here? Ran. So ran, so this is verb. What about this fast? Generally, most of the students, they can be under impression that adverbs generally end in ly. Children, you have to remember one thing, that all adverbs don't end in ly, right? Some adverbs are there, they end without ly. They don't take ly. So fast. Here the word fast says about this action, how the action took the place. Madhulata ran how fast. So it says something about this action word. So fast is an adverb in the given sentence. Fast, adverb. Now let us see fourth one. Ravi is a nice boy. Identify adjective from the given sentence. Adjective. So Ravi is noun used as subject of the sentence. Is verb. So this is verb. A nice boy, subject complement. Subject complement. And this boy is a noun. This noun is qualified by the word nice. What kind of boy is Ravi? Nice. So here nice is an adjective. Nice. Nice is an adjective. Now let us see fifth one. We are students. We are students. What is given in verbs? So in the brackets, verb. Identify the verb from the given sentence. We, subject. Generally, we is pronoun used as subject. So students, subject complement, this is noun used as subject complement. Then what is the remaining word? So here or is verb in the given sentence. Or it indicates the state of being. Sixth one, Karthik never sees films. Adverb, identify adverb in given sentence. Children, see this one, Karthik noun, so used as subject. Sees verb, this is verb. Films noun used as object, so this is noun used as object of the sentence. Then what about this never? So never is an adverb. Never, adverb of frequency. Now seventh one, Meghana bought a costly pen. What is given within brackets? Adjective. So identify adjective in given sentence. Meghana, noun used as subject. So bought is action word. So this is verb. A costly pen. See this one? This is object. In this object, so pen is noun. This is noun. This noun is qualified by costly. Children, so this costly ends in ly. Don't be under impression that this word ends in ly. That's why it is an adverb. That is wrong. Even though the word ends in ly, it qualifies pen. So it is an adjective. Costly, an adjective. The next one, eighth one, Corona is a deadly disease. See corona, so this is noun used as subject of the sentence, is verb, a deadly disease, subject complement. So disease is a noun. This noun is qualified by the word deadly. Deadly indicates the quality of the disease. So here deadly is an adjective. Even though it ends in ly, it is not an adverb, it is an adjective because it qualifies the noun disease. Ninth one, I bathed in the tub. I bathed in the tub. Identify verb. I is subject, pronoun used as subject. Bathe, so this is verb. In the tub, other words. Right, children? So verb we have to identify. This bathed. BATH noun form, that is bath. It is not bathed, bathed, bathed. Next, 10th one. You have given a useful gift. Identify verb. You, pronoun used as subject. Have given, so verb phrase. A useful gift, object. Right, children? Identify verb means you can write these two or you can write this main verb. When we write these two, have, so this is helping verb, given, main verb. Simply, so it is called verb phrase. Like this, we can identify verb forms, adjective forms and adverb forms. I hope you got this, children. Thank you. All the best.